everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to kick off 2026 with something special that I think many of you will appreciate, my latest project involving a Honda cargo tricycle camper. Yep, you heard that right, a camper built on a cargo trike platform. If you've been following this channel for a while, you already know I love compact, creative builds that push the boundaries of mobile living. But this year, I wanted to try something a little more accessible and more efficient, both in terms of fuel and budget. So let's talk about the Honda cargo tricycle I started with. It's a 150cc model, lightweight but sturdy, and more than capable of carrying a decent load. I stripped it down to its essentials and then got to work designing a frame that would hold a tiny camper pod. My main goals were simple: keep it light, weatherproof, and comfortable enough for short weekend trips, or even longer adventure cycling. The frame is steel-toothed, tape welded, and reinforced expressively to prevent the motion of the road and weight construction. The pod itself is built with lightweight plywood and aluminum composite bands to keep it both strong and weather-resistant. I added reflective insulation and waterproofing to the entire interior so it stays comfortable whether it's hot or cold. And yes, it has a vent fan and a small solar panel on the roof powering a deep cycle battery underneath the floor. Inside, I kept things minimal but functional. There's a single bed sleeping area with hidden storage underneath, a fold-down table that doubles as a work desk, and a tiny kitchenette setup with a one-burner stove and collapsible sink. I even managed to squeeze in a 5-gallon water tank with a gravity-fed tap. It's basic, but for what I need, it works perfectly. Everything is bolted down or secured with locks so nothing shifts during transit. On the back, there's a small cargo box for tools, camping gear, and extra fuel. I added LED lights all around and even installed a backup camera, so the visibility is key when you're riding a trike with a camper pod on the back. I've taken it on a couple of test runs, and so far, it was surprisingly well. Not exactly highway speed capable, but for rural roads, beach paths, and the city outskirts, it's more than capable. The coolest part is probably the detachable design. I can actually take the camper pod off and use the cargo trike solo for errands or short hauls. It's flexible, economical, and just plain fun. I've had a ton of people stop me to ask what it is and how it works. So that's the first look at my 2026 Honda cargo tricycle camper. I'll be taking it on a multi-day trip soon and will post the travel vlog right here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you don't miss the journey. Let me know in the comments what you'd add to a build like this, or if you'd ever consider doing one yourself. Thanks for watching, and here's to a creative,